Hi there, my name is Mrs. Howe and I'm here to do an assembly today. I hope you all had a lovely Easter. With a change of routine now we're at home and a chance to take charge of your home learning, we must remember there are a million ways to gain new knowledge and skills, not just through the work that your teachers have set. You have no doubt possibly tried something new already. Maybe you've cooked a new meal with your parents. Maybe you've mastered Zoom technology to stay in close contact with friends and relatives. Or maybe you've learnt the words to a new song. But one of the best activities you can do to help your education is to read. Whether it is a book, magazine, article, blog or recipe, the list goes on. However, try to read something you know very little about. Something that will really stretch and use your imagination. I've thoroughly enjoyed, although it's been challenging at times, being at home lots with my young children. I have Erin, who's 3, and Rowan, who is 1. And Erin's absolute favourite pastime is to snuggle in with a story with mummy or daddy. One of her go-to books that she likes mummy to read is We're Going on a Bear Hunt, and here it is. It's brilliant. We are lucky to have a very old and rather overgrown in places little woodland, just a 5-minute walk from our house. We go there nearly every day, but I've been worried Erin might find it a bit repetitive, a bit boring. However, our exploration is one of her favourite activities now because we're not going on a walk, mummy, we're going to the forest on a bear hunt, which is obviously a really exciting adventure for a 3-year-old. Here she is proudly showing off the words in the book that I didn't even know she had learnt. Right, Erin, where are we going?
On a bear hunt, we're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared.
We're not scared, are we? We're going on a bear hunt down the path to the forest.
Down the path to the forest.
And where's Rowan?
There.
He's behind mummy. He's ready to go. You a bit sleepy, honey? So here we are in the forest. Erin, can you see a bear anywhere? In the tree? There's a bear in the tree. What kind of bear is it? A black one. What colour eyes?
He's got blue eyes.
Blue eyes. And what colour teeth?
Pink.
Pink teeth, blue eyes. And what colour fur?
Blue.
Erin, which way are we going?
This way.
There's many options.
This way, Mummy.
We've got to go and find the bear, haven't we?
And the buffalo.
And the gruffalo.
And the crocodile.
And the crocodiles. Where are the crocodiles, Erin?
In the river.
In the river. Who have you found?
A buffalo.
A gruffalo. Where's the gruffalo? Over there.
No.
Is he grumpy? Okay. Erin, how many bears have we seen so far?
5.
5. Were they all different types?
Yeah. What?
So where are we going now?
Here.
On the walkway.
Mummy, what's this?
Okay, careful. That's a big leap, darling. Look at this. The bear could be anywhere. You being careful?
I will.
Ooh.
I see him.
You see him? That might have been a dog, Erin. Was it definitely a bear growl?
There.
Oh, he's there. Where's the bear? There.
Hide.
Yeah, that's a trunk, honey, I think. Hide. Okay, quick, hide. Where are you going to hide? Okay, you hide. Make sure you get down. No one can see you then. And Rowan, update on you. How's it going? And Rowan, how's the bear hunt going? Yeah, I thought so. Too much work. It is amazing how many words there are in the English language. I looked it up and there's over 170,000 words in current use. And that's what reading does. It really broadens our vocabulary, extends our use of words. I certainly don't know them all. I don't use them all. And here's two that I've come across in my recent reading. The first one is this, constancy. And I think the second definition, as you can see there, the idea of this unchanging, enduring phase we're going through in lockdown is really, really relevant. And more interestingly, this second word, also beginning with C, contretemps. Is that how you say it? Contretemps? Is it French? I don't know. A minor dispute or argument, exclamation mark. I think that is hugely relevant in my family right now. Or an unexpected and unfortunate occurrence, possibly also really relevant right now. So whether you have a cheeky 15 minutes when your older siblings are in bed in the morning, maybe you've got half an hour at lunchtime that you can sneak off and read when mum and dad are making lunch, or maybe some downtime when younger siblings are in bed and it's a little bit quieter in the house. Find a good book, find something to read. Enjoy the escapism that a new world brings, and broaden your vocabulary at the same time. At least it's the perfect excuse to avoid household chores. You have our permission to do reading whenever and wherever. So take care, and we will see you very soon. Bye-bye.